Hi, in front of me is INFINIX S5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connected Devices and tap on Bluetooth. Tap on the switcher and tap Pair New Device. Over here click on the available one that you want to connect to. Then tap Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!